There it goes. Say bye. That's a big son of a bitch there. That's a big one, boy. Uh-oh. She's a swinging. She's a swinging. Another hard day at work at Sensa-Air. Another hard day at Sensa-Air. Alright. There she goes. We're really close to it. Wow. Athletes. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, and then we're going down, down, down,